Hi, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, whatever it takes, wherever it takes time you see me. Hello, my name is Mario de Jesus Guzman Cabral. Well, I'm working. How do you know? I working in the one of in some institutes. So I working. I how I see the recording with the class, but I like it. I like to participate even if it is the recording. So this one to in my two exhibition or expositions, I like uh, talk about my exposition, so I like participate to the class, and if to my work is very difficult, so I think recording my exposition for the participate in the next class. So my ID or matricula in Spanish is 20198590. So my first exposition is the sneeze. In the Spanish, this is estornudo. So in my app, I don't have recording the total screen. So this form I pass to the exposition. Exposition is very simple. It's the 2 minutes, but is staying the 2 minutes explication the reasons of the recording me my class. So it is what it is. This is it is what it is. The sneezing or exhalation is a semi-adult convulsive expulsion of the air, but this is more simple for that. So, guess, o sea, this sneezing is cause of the little irritation in the noise, and this irritation is conducive to the compulsive compulsive expulsion of the nose on the mouth on the usual cause before the particles. These particles of the air, of the flowers, of the something else is irrit the nasal and mucous. So this is the first part. So the second part, so yeah, the what does it mean? What does it mean? It's the as the irritation nasal. This is an irritation nasal. This action allow mucus and relate suit of the real lights to the exchange drop in the temperature. Alcohol breeze, particular for stomach, expulsion allergy. This is so normal is the allergy, but example my girlfriend is very it's so very easy get this have allergy, so the air the air or the cold air, the change of the temperature on the change of the climate, for example March to June and December. Those is this. So this expression is very short. So the snitch, I don't talk too much that because it's so very simple. It's a compulsive expulsion from the noise. So irritation in the this part. So this is my first position. I I think I like you and the class. So my name is Mario de Jesus Guzman Cabral, and I see you in my next exposition and recording now. Ciao, ciao, goodbye. I see you in the next class or whatever I